Good day everyone. In our last video, we have learned how to construct an ogive for a set of group data. What is the purpose to draw an ogive? Ogives are useful for determining the quartiles and percentiles. We will learn how to use an ogive for determining the quartile in this video. Let's see how we can find the quartile through an ogive. What do quartiles tell us? Quartiles are values that divides a set of data into 4 equal parts. Each set of data has 3 quartiles, which are first quartile Q1, second quartile Q2, and third quartile Q3. Given the number of data is n, the first quartile Q1, known as the lower quartile, a quartile that contains 25% of the data. That is quarter of the total frequency. The second quartile, Q2, is also known as medium. That is the middle value of a set of data which contains 50% of the data. Medium is the half of the total frequency. The third quartile, Q3, is known as the upper quartile, a quartile that contains 75% of the data. That is 3/4 of the total frequency. This was the ogive we drew in our last video. Now we try to find the quartiles from the ogive. The frequency table shows the seasoning contents of 60 types of food. 60 is the number of data, n equals to 60. For the first of P, the first quartile, that is 60 divided by 4, equals to 15. From the graph, draw a horizontal line from the axis of cumulative frequency at 15 until it intersects the ogive. From the intersection point, continue to draw the vertical line down until it meets the axis of seasoning content at the horizontal axis. The value of the seasoning contents obtained is the value of the first quartile, that is 199.5. Therefore, the seasoning contents of the 15 types of food are less or equal to 199.5 mg. For the second of P, the medium, second quartile, 60 divided by 2 equals to 30. From the graph, draw a horizontal line from the axis of cumulative frequency at 30 until it intersects the ogive. Then continue to draw the vertical line down until it meets the horizontal axis. The value of the seasoning content obtained is the value of the second quartile. Medium equals to 249.5. Therefore, the seasoning contents of 30 types of food are less or equal to 249.5 mg. For the third of P, interquartile range, the third quartile is needed. 60 multiplied by 3/4, we have 45. From the graph, draw a line from 45 until it intersects the ogive, then continue to draw the vertical line down until it meets the horizontal axis. The value of the seasoning content obtained is the value of the third quartile, that is 284.5. To find the interquartile range, the first quartile is subtracted from the third quartile. 284.5 minus 199.5, the interquartile range is 85. This is how we determine the quartile from an ogive for a set of group data. Here's come the end. In our next video, we will learn how to use an ogive to determine the percentile. Thank you for your participation and see you next time.